Sometimes I think about the old version of me when I dreamed of doing what I do today, when all I did is wonder where life would take me. But I realized it was time to stop dreaming. Because it is you who starts with a wish, and it is you who has to make it come true. Every day is a new challenge for me, and every sweat I break is my reward. The gym is my place of worship, where all my thoughts and actions align. There is no place for excuses, just discipline. And there is no place for shortcuts. Got a dream too? Get up on your feet, pick up the weights, and get ready to roar.